If you're watching this video and you're struggling in your life with doubt, fear, worry, and uncertainty, I can relate to you because I remember as a young boy, I struggled with significant doubt, fear, worry, and uncertainty. And I got diagnosed with a severe learning disability that affected my self-worth, my education, my socialization, and eventually my life hit rock bottom. And I remember being in my therapist's chair and she pulled me in and she said, "Ryan, please draw a picture of the feelings you're feeling right now." And I drew pictures of wanting to take my own life and not be here on this planet anymore. And that was when I was 9 years old. And I remember that day vividly. And maybe you're watching this and you've had thoughts of wanting to commit suicide or take your own life, or maybe may know someone who's had those thoughts that are coming in to their brain. I can firmly relate because I remember where I was. And she pulled me in and she whispered in my ear and she basically said, "You have a team that believes in you, even though you don't believe in yourself. And if you allow me, your parents, your teachers, your support system to believe in you, you can turn your life around." And I remember telling her, "I will never be alive to touch anyone." And she said, "You'll inspire a lot of people. I don't know how and I don't know when." And I remember leaving that therapy session that day and I stuffed away that conversation. And I said, probably not going to help anyone, inspire anyone, create any hope for this world. But I will remember what she said. And that was when I was 9. And I stuffed that away until I was 15. And at 15, I got asked to be the captain of my high school tennis team and coach the team and motivate them and inspire them. And after a few weeks of coaching them, I quickly learned that there were several people that were waiting to talk to me, to motivate them, to lead them, and to coach them, and were so encouraged by my coaching. And I had fellow parents. And it was at that moment when I said, I'm going to be a coach. And at some point, I'm going to use my story and all the things that I've overcome in life and inspire people and create change and hope in this world. And I had that when I was 15 and I honestly didn't know how or when it was going to happen in my life, but I knew it was going to happen. And in my 20s, I settled in a life where I was not thriving. I was living a life of mediocrity. I wasn't playing to the unique gifts and unique abilities that God gave me. And once I acted on using my voice and using my heart and my passion and my vulnerability to really help people, it led me to coaching. And it's been one of the best blessings in my life to be a coach and an inspirational blessing to those. And I just felt it was important to come on here and share my story, that if you're struggling, I feel you. If you have hard days, I feel you. And I just hope that you stay there longer and you allow your team, your family, your friends, your therapist, your coaches, your team to believe in you, just like my team believed in me. And all these years later, I'm completely a different person. And I wanted to use my story to inspire you to plant your flag, invest in yourself, don't quit, rise up, and your best life awaits. And please share this video with someone who's struggling, someone who wants more out of their life and are in a massive hole. Use my story as a source of inspiration to go help and inspire someone else. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Have an amazing day and rise up with positivity, hope, and a smile. Thank you much.